So I have tried dozens of different email marketing platforms over the years, and in this video, I'm going to share some of the best options for business owners in 2026 when it comes to email marketing. I used to use MailChimp for the longest time, and while it used to be good maybe back in 2012, it's definitely gone downhill. I wouldn't recommend it anymore. It's just a messy piece of software. It's owned by Intuit. It's owned by the same company that owns TurboTax, and it's a mess. It's expensive. It's not something I would recommend anymore. So let's talk about the better options for email marketing. So the next one here is going to be Moosend. Now, Moosend, it's kind of a funny name, and the logo just looks kind of cute too, but we've used Moosend in the past. We actually still use it on one of the smaller companies that I have ownership in, and the product works really well. I think a great feature of this is that it's really useful for people who are price sensitive. So maybe you have a small email list and you're not really sending that many emails and you don't want to pay a ton of money. Then on Moosend, you can get this for $7 a month. If you have 500 contacts, if you have 1,000 contacts, it's still only $13 a month to be able to send emails out, and you get unlimited email campaigns and sends when you have a certain amount of contacts. So it's overall just probably the best for pricing for beginners. Their software is pretty easy to use as well. It's a little bit more clunky than something like OmniSend, but it definitely is some great pricing. You get a 30-day free trial, so that's very useful if you just want to check it out. And then they do have most of those features available like the other ones have as well. So they have email marketing, they have automations, they have growth tools. You can manage your audience, you can segment them. So like maybe you want to segment certain ages or genders or demographics of your customers and put them into different buckets so that you can send them different types of emails. And that's something that you can do inside of Moosend. So if you're looking for the best price and the ability to get a full month for free without having to pay any money, then you should probably check out Moosend. It's pretty easy to use. It gets the job done. It's a little bit clunky, but overall, it's one that I like, and the name is kind of cool too. So I'll leave a link to it down below, but you really can't beat the price on that.